guys, today I'm going to marinate our pork adobo. This is a Sprite pork adobo. First, we are going to add our ingredients. First ingredients is our 1 kilo pork. So ito yung chop niya guys ha. Chop like this. This is the size. So lagay natin dito guys sa ating bowl. Ang ating one. So this is our 1 kilo of pork. So chop like this guys. Oh. So next we are going to add our 6 cloves garlic. Then we are going to add our 5 beef. So 5 pieces sa beef natin guys. So ginawa ko ganyan guys. Then I will add this one guys, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. Ito, Spanish paprika. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we are going to add our 330 ml Sprite guys. Ito. Sprite. I-marinate natin siya guys for 5 to 6 hours or pwede overnight. So i-mix natin guys. Sprite pork adobo. So, i-mix ko guys bago ko i-ano guys. Mag-add ako guys ng 1 tablespoon ng soy sauce. Kabali 3 tablespoon yung soy sauce natin guys. So takpan natin ng cling wrap guys, or I have to cover up kasi there is a cover of this Pyrex guys. So I'll have to cover up and put this in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours guys. This one. Hi guys, this is our pork marinated already guys. So what I am going to do now, I am going to drain the juice, but I am going to set aside the marinated sauce para gamitin ko later. So, gagawa tayo guys ng Sprite pork adobo with eggs. Okay? So, i-drain natin guys kasi i-brown natin first guys bago natin lutuin. But anyway, bago natin idalagay yung juice. This is the way you do it. 1 kilo adobo cut. This is our marinated adobo cut for our pork adobos. So kunti lang yung natin, guys. Brown our pork. Ito yung sauce na yan, guys. After natin mag-brown. Meron naman akong cooking pot. So, just brown. Mother says I was a dancer. I'm making a video. Cover natin, guys, for 10 minutes, guys, lang. Okay. Tapos, guys, so that is our pork, guys. I-simmer natin, guys, for about 1 hour, guys, until it is tender, guys. I will add 1.5 cup of hot water, guys, para mag-add up siya sa sauce natin, guys. Okay? Add some of the additional ingredients, guys, ha? Okay ka, Paprika. That is our Sprite pork adobo, guys. Lagyan ko na yan ng vinegar. Okay? I will add how much ba? 2 tablespoons of vinegar. 1, 2. So, yun. Hindi ko yan muna takpan, guys. So, guys, black beans. Yun na yun. 1 tablespoon lang yung i-ano ko niya, guys. Or, ayaw kong medyo maalat. 1 tablespoon lang. Ito, guys. Kita nyo, guys? Ito, guys. Kita nyo? Wonderful spatula. Ouch. Wow. Kumba na din siya, guys. Alam niyo ba, guys, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng banana blossoms, pero I was running out of banana blossoms, kaya I'll just use what is available in my kitchen. Ito na yung spices ko, guys. Sliced red onions and 3 red chili. Para may ano siya, guys, may konting wow. Tingnan nyo, guys. Kita nyo? Sarap siya, guys. Yun. Isi-simmer ko lang siya, guys, for a few minutes until ma-add ko yung eggs. Yung eggs ko pala guys, ito. So, almost done na yan. Guys, I've got 4 eggs dito guys. Ilagay ko na ito sa ating pork. Kasi, ready na siya guys. Ready to... Yun guys, yung ating... I will use my spatula guys. Alam nyo ba guys kung spatula yung ginamit ko guys para hindi madurog yung karne ko kasi tender na siya guys. Kasi more than ano siya 1 hour and 30 minutes, a little bit tough. So, yan na. Look. Wow guys. So now we are going to taste later na guys. Okay? And 5 minutes to go. Hi guys, this is now our Sprite pork adobo with eggs. Baho. Pakainin ko ng pork adobo. Okay? Yung eggs natin guys, oh. Lutong-luto guys. Tikman natin guys ha. Mmm. 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 Mainit. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Yung pork sauce natin guys, masarap. Yung meat natin guys, oh, very tender. Tikman ko guys ha. Super yummy guys. Watching to my channel guys. Have a good time. Bye.